So I'm here at the Senedd today for an event around World Mental Health Day, hosted by Jack Sargeant, our youngest Assembly member here. Jack and his family have had their own personal issues and tragedies around mental health, and so really pleased to see that he's using his position here in the Assembly to really raise awareness of the fact that it's okay not to be okay.
Today's World Mental Health Day and the theme is children and young people. I'm hosting an event today with the Future Generations Commissioner, a very special guest, Sophie Howe. It's going to be a brilliant event. We've got plenty of people, external bodies coming to discuss, and the point of it is about talking and opening up. So I'll be standing here today discussing my own problems with mental health, which is it's a big step for me, but if it can help someone else speak to their friend in the pub or speak to their friend at school, then let's do that and let's make that change for the better of us all.
As Future Generations Commissioner, I think there's a number of things that public services need to do to promote better mental health and prevent mental health issues occurring in the first place, from the way that we plan and design communities to make them facilitate better relationships, to how we might use our natural environment to help support people who have low-level mental health issues, so for example through social prescribing, to how we tackle the plight of loneliness and isolation, and to what our teaching is doing and what our curriculum is doing in terms of having a focus on mental health and well-being.
Happiness can be found, even in the darkest of times, if one only remembers to turn on the light. And the quote's from Albus Dumbledore, Harry Potter.
The thing that we should all be remembering is from that famous Maya Angelou quote. And she said, "I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel."
So there's a range of opportunities through the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act, but it will take us to be brave. It will take us to act now to make sure that what's described as an epidemic in terms of mental health doesn't hit us later down the line. And I think it's really important that everyone here has been able to discuss that, and particularly the politicians here are able to hear about the actions that need to be taken to tackle mental health now, to ensure that we've dealt with it for future generations.